the iPod Touch. Now, I didn't think it was going to be possible to really do anything with the iPod Touch 4th generation, however, I was proven wrong. There is actually a thing on Legacy iOS Kit that you can put iOS 7 on these devices. I haven't done anything with Legacy iOS Kit probably since 2024. Without further ado, let's go ahead and connect this iPod Touch up to Legacy iOS Kit. Okay, now that we have my MacBook hooked up, I'm actually going to plug in the iPod Touch into it. There it is. And we're just gonna do restore.sh. As you can see, wow, there's already iPod Touch iOS 7 stuff here. So yeah, that's actually really funny. A new version is available. Well, yeah, I guess we gotta update it again. Okay, so here we have the iPod Touch. Let's go ahead and do restore downgrade 7.1.2. That is actually really funny. Let's download the target IPSW real quick. Okay, download base IPSW as well. Okay, now we're just gonna go ahead. Oh, it's a tethered upgrade. Okay, so now we're gonna select that one. Select target, that. Oh, here we go. Start restore. Jailbreak option? Sure, why not? Why not? Sure, send the device to DFU mode. Okay, let's go ahead and do the DFU mode method. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if I've seen that before on here. Let's do the just boot option. There we go. Yes. Okay, just boot. 7.1.2. That's so weird seeing that iOS 7 on the 4th gen iPod Touch. Whoa, look at that. Oh my god. That's responsive, alright. But here we have it. We have the iPod Touch 4th generation on iOS 7. Does the brightness slider work? Oh, it does. Oh, look at that. So Bluetooth does not work. It seems that sound doesn't work either. Wi-Fi seems to work. Turn the volume up. There's no like actual volume bar. So sound does not work. What if I do the phone app? Wow, look at that. A phone dialer on the iPod Touch. How cool is that? What if I try to dial a phone number? Okay, it just doesn't work. Does it say anything about like cellular? Oh my gosh, wait, what? Wait, what if I turn it on? Okay, now that it's on, let's try to call my number. Okay, it still doesn't work. But wow, look at this. iOS 7 on the iPod Touch. Does the camera work? No, the camera does not work. That's a shame. So a lot of features have been stripped from this version of iOS 7. But that's kind of interesting. Well, I want to thank you all for watching this video of me torturing this iPod Touch with iOS 7. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.